Welcome to this video on ladder safety. Proper training is the foundation for ensuring a secure workplace. The purpose of this video is to provide strategies for working safely on ladders, focusing on proper selection, inspection, setup, and climbing. Our primary objectives are to prevent falls and injuries, ensure regulatory compliance, and promote hazard awareness. Ladder falls are a serious safety concern in all trades, causing numerous injuries and fatalities annually. Planning for the safest access method is vital. Major causes of injury include ladders are not held, tied off, or otherwise secured. Weather conditions cause rungs or steps to become slippery. Workers do not grip ladders properly when climbing up or down, e.g., maintain three-point contact. Workers do not position themselves properly on ladders, e.g., leaning out too far. Ladders do not have secure footing at the base or are placed at improper angles. Ladders are defective. High winds cause ladders to topple. When near electrical lines, ladders are carelessly handled or improperly positioned. Ladder stabilizers are not used when needed. There are several types of ladders. These include the extension trestle ladder, a self-supporting portable ladder that is adjustable in length, consisting of a trestle ladder base, a vertically adjustable extension section, and an adequate means of locking the ladder base and extension section together. Platform ladder, a self-supporting portable ladder that is not adjustable in length, where the highest standing level is a platform. Single ladder, a non-self-supporting portable ladder that is not adjustable in length and has only one section. Other common types are the step ladder, a self-supporting portable ladder that is not adjustable in length, has flat steps and a hinged back, and whose back section is either a single ladder or other supporting device. Step stool, a self-supporting portable, fixed, or foldable ladder that is not adjustable in length and has a height of 800 millimeters, 2.6 feet or less, excluding side rails, if any, above the top cap, flat steps but no pail shelf, and a ladder top cap that can be stood or stepped on. Trestle ladder, a self-supporting portable ladder, non-adjustable in length, having two sections, and hinged at the top so as to be able to form equal angles with the base. Portable ladders can be easily moved or carried. They come in different types. All portable ladders must have non-slip feet, or be set up so that the feet will not slip. The type purchased should be compatible with the degree of rough usage expected. Heavy-duty or higher portable ladders must be used for construction purposes. A step ladder is defined as a self-supporting portable ladder that is not adjustable in length, has flat steps and a hinged back, and whose back section is either a single ladder or other supporting device. The primary consideration with these ladders is that they have strong spreader arms that lock securely in the open position. Other types of self-supporting ladders are platform ladders, trestle ladders, and extension trestle ladders. Fixed ladders are permanently attached to structures. If the ladders are vertical and there is a risk of falling more than 3 meters, 10 feet, a body harness and lifeline, or body harness and channel lock device should be used by workers climbing up and down or working from the ladders. These ladders must have safety cages starting no more than 2.2 meters, 7 feet, from the bottom of the ladder and extending at least 0.9 meters, 3 feet, above the top landing. Rest platforms with ladder offsets at intervals no more than 9 meters, 30 feet, apart where a fall arrest system is not used. Side rails that extend 90 centimeters, 35 in, above the landing. Rungs that are at least 15 centimeters, 6 in, from the wall and spaced at regular intervals. An adequate landing surface that is clear of obstructions at the top and bottom. O-Reg 21391 S84-1. Special purpose ladders are modified for unique tasks. Always follow the manufacturer's specific instructions for their use. Supervision is key. Improved site management and more control over the use of ladders on site can significantly reduce the number of ladder injuries. This requires that supervisors train workers to maintain and use ladders properly. Perform a risk assessment of the ladder work to be conducted. Evaluate the access requirements of a specific work assignment. Choose the best means of access for the job. Portable ladders should be used only where safer means of access such as stairs, scaffolds, manlifts, or ramps are not suitable or practical. Supervisors must consider the number of workers requiring access to elevated work locations, as well as the extent and duration of the work, before deciding on the safest and most economical means of access. Ladders should not be used by large crews of workers. It's more efficient to use other means of access, such as stairs or personnel hoists, where large numbers of workers will be using the access equipment frequently. Always assess if another means of performing the work can be used. Other types of access, such as stationary or rolling scaffolds or powered elevating platforms, will usually be more efficient and significantly reduce the potential for incidents. In deciding on the best type of access for various tasks and work locations, management should also consider things such as the amount of material involved, the amount of time workers spend on the access equipment, the weather conditions, the equipment available on site, the condition of the surface from which access must be made, the amount of room available, the potential for shared use with other trades. More than 80% of ladder incidents are related to improper use or application of the equipment. Although supervisors must ensure that the access equipment used is appropriate for the specific job or situation, those using the equipment must also be trained to use it properly. Training should include taking the following precautions when working with ladders. Check the ladder for defects at the start of a shift, after it has been used in another location by other workers, or after it has been left in one location for a lengthy period of time. See the end of this chapter for inspection procedures. Ensure the areas surrounding the base and top of the ladder are clear of trash, materials, and other obstructions. Most incidents occur when getting on and off the ladder. Secure the base of the ladder against accidental movement. Use a ladder equipped with non-slip feet appropriate for the situation. Nail a cleat to the floor, or otherwise anchor the feet or bottom of the side rails. If a ladder is used for access from one work level to another, ensure the side rails extend a minimum of 90 centimeters 3 feet above the landing. Install grab rails at the upper landing, so that a worker getting on and off the ladder has secure handholds. Extension ladders can be used for access/egress up to 18 meters, 60 feet. Set up the ladder on a firm, level surface. If its base is to rest on soft, uncompacted, or rough soil, use a mud sill. Tie off the top of the ladder or otherwise secure it to prevent any movement. Set up all straight or extension ladders at the proper angle, which is 1 foot back for every 3 or 4 feet up, 1 to 3 or 1 to 4. For access between levels, ensure the side rails extend at least 3 feet above the landing and install grab rails for security. Place your ladder on a firm, level surface. If you are working on soft or uneven ground, always utilize a mud sill for proper support. Always face the ladder when climbing up or down and when working from it. Maintain 3-point contact when climbing up or down a ladder. That means 2 hands and 1 foot or 2 feet and 1 hand on the ladder at all times. This is especially important when you get on or off a ladder at heights. Check for overhead power lines before setup. Never use conductive metal ladders near electricity. Only use non-conductive materials. Always face the ladder while climbing and maintain 3-point contact. Keep your center of gravity between the rails at all times. Avoid carrying tools while climbing. Use a rope to raise or lower equipment to keep your hands free and stable on the rungs. All trades have frequent ladder incidents. To prevent them, supervisors should devote more time to training and to reinforcing that training on the job. Approximately 50% of all ladder incidents occur while work tasks are being performed from the ladder. Remember, a ladder is not a work platform. Many of these incidents could be prevented by using other types of access equipment such as scaffolds or powered elevating platforms. Between 30% and 40% of all ladder incidents involve unexplained loss of footing. This can be the result of not paying attention while on the ladder. Therefore, training and instruction should include maintaining awareness of the hazards involved in working from a ladder. Thank you for watching this training video. Remember, staying alert and following these safety procedures is essential for your well-being.